I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we have a small question for you as a test. We have explored rational functions in many different ways regarding discontinuities, and here we have always true, sometimes true, or never true question. We all know that rational functions f of x equals to px over qx has a point of discontinuity for each real zero of q of x, right? So q of x should not be 0. Now the question is, if p of x and q of x have a common real zero a, then there is a hole in the graph of f of x at x equals to a. So that means if there is a common factor in both numerator and denominator at x equals to a, then we'll have a hole at x equals to a. That is the question. So you can pause the video and answer the question. Is that always true, sometimes true, or never true? Now to help you answer, let me give you two different functions. We are saying that both numerator and denominator has a 0 a, right, which is common. So we are saying that x minus a is common in both numerator and denominator. In that case, we'll have a hole at a. That is the question, right? So let's say there is another factor, it doesn't matter, but that results into a hole. Is it always true, sometimes true, or never true? It looks like true here, right? There's a hole, right? There's a vertical asymptote at -1, but at a, so in this case at x equals to a, we do have a hole, right? But how about this function? Let's say p of x is equals to x minus a, let me write x minus a, okay, over x minus a whole square. Now in this case, we have a vertical asymptote at x equals to a. Do you understand? Since one of the factors will cancel out, we are still left with x minus a in the denominator. Do you understand? So here we will have x equals to a vertical asymptote. So always you are not going to get a hole when there is a common factor in numerator and denominator. There is a possibility of a hole, right? So this statement is sometimes true, not always. So that is kind of important thing to understand. Thank you and all the best.